Go.
This is the jungle 60 million years ago before President Keith. What am I looking at you?
Action.
And this is a path laid by Time Safari leaders for your use. Hold on, sorry.
One. Action.
And this is a path laid by Time Safari for your what? I look. And this is a path laid by. Oh my.
2, 1.
Dude, we gotta film this. Come on, please.
Its purpose is to keep you from touching the path of any kind. Do not go off the path. You're supposed to do the shit. Do not go off the path. If you fall, there's a penalty. And don't shoot any animals.
Whoa, what are you doing?
Oh my god, I walked too. And this is a path laid by Time Safari. Its purpose is to keep you from touching the path from. And don't shoot any animals we don't tell you to, okay?
Whoa, what are you doing?
Our purpose is to keep you from touching the road in every.
It's fine.
Don't go off the
Whoa, what are
path.
you doing?
Don't go off the path. This is a path made by Time Safari for your use. Real quick.
Yeah, it's fine.
2, 1. Go.
We don't want to change the future.
What the is that?
2, 1. Go.
We don't want to change the future. We don't belong here in the past. The government doesn't like us here. I'm lying, dog.
Why?
I'm like gonna break my teeth from like gritting it. Try not to laugh.
The government doesn't like us here. We have to pay a big bill to
maintain
No, that's not the line before that.
To maintain our.
The government doesn't like us here. Not knowing it, what the might destroy important species. A flower,
You ate.
a dog, a roach, a flower even. That's destroying an important. Oh, fuck.
You could just continue. You can stutter us like a little bit.
We don't want to change the future.
It's fine. It's fine.
Alright, then it wouldn't even pay to touch the grass.
The time machine's out there if you want to take a look. Okay, let's not swear. Please. Please don't swear on that. What are we doing that shot?
Yeah.
The time machine's out there if you want to take a look.
That was so unbelievable. A real time machine. Makes you think if the election had gone.
The Tyrannosaurus Rex, the tyrant lizard, the most incredible monster in history. What are you looking at me for, bro? We're doing so great.
Because you were talking, bro. I have to look.
Those dinosaurs are hungry.
Are you trying to scare me?
Frankly, yes. 600 were killed last year, and a dozen of. I screwed up.
No. No.
Are you supposed to say the line?
Yeah.
Oh, wait, what? That guy?
Yeah, you're supposed to
Was
say.
it trying to scare me?
Trying to scare me.
Oh,
my God.
I mean, we don't have to do. We just need
Well,
to.
no, let's just start. It's easier to start.
We're here to give you the greatest game of.
Are you trying to scare me?
Frankly, yes.
Why you did that to the first one? Get out!
Wait. It's the line. It's like, what do you point like?
Rolling.
Wait, oh shoot. Wait.
Okay, bam.
I got it.
Alright, I'll do it.
I'll do it.
Damn it.
Just joking.
What the?
Another day at work.
Yep.
Wait.
God damn it.
That was so bad, bro. Come on.
This. Shoot it.
It's like 60 million years. What a proportion. We're being. Oh, General, shoot. There are much with my paint. Today, before our journey, I came back with a time machine of certain.
3, 2.
This fool nearly killed us.
What on earth did he do?
His shoes. Look at them. He went off the path. That ruins us. I have to back.
Bro.
Damn it!
So close.